Which hotel best?
Hilton. You first take him to Hilton. Then at ShopRite, I buy some seeds. Then the other gentleman of Kubata, you pick him and take him where you can.
Which again?
The one going to the airport.
You said he's going at 5.
Yeah, at 5. But he needs to be picked away from there.
To where?
Maybe to where, and you communicate with other colleagues of yours.
If you happen to change that person to cause confused,
Okay.
since
They leave it there, but you give me your number. You give me your number so that 5 is going at 5 p.m.
But the problem, I might be the one.
You might not be the one.
We are a lot.
Work, I know. Who is called? I'll try to talk to the other gentleman and see. Even if you are not the one, but you can help to coordinate. No one should be left in this country. It's beautiful.
You don't want to stay in Namibia?
I'm going to stay in. I'm coming back to Namibia.
Yeah.
I'm going to.
It's a peaceful country.
The best African country, yes. Namibia is beautiful. Although people are not there.
So,
People are not there.